Okay, you guys should see here my decimals reteach. So basically these first 3 levels, level 1 is just going to be your vocabulary. And if you watch that video, all the answers to the problems are in that video. So make sure you watch the video and get it done. You should watch the video on all of them, but make sure you watch it on that one. I'm going to teach you level 2 and 3. And boys and girls, it's just simple identifying fractions. And this is going to prep you for decimals. So looking at this fraction right here, we have, a fraction bar. You have your fraction bar, and then your numerator is how many is shaded, and in this case it's 1, and your denominator is the total number of pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'll give you a hint right now, all of your denominators are going to be 10 because we're dealing with tenths here. And we kind of learned that in the decimals vocabulary, but you're looking at 10 whole pieces and how many are shaded. So this one, we have a denominator of 10. Like I said, all your denominators are going to be 10. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these are shaded red. So my answer is 5 tenths. So that's level 2. And then level 3, it's not much different except it's just a mixed number. So you have to count how many are totally shaded. So I have 2 squares totally shaded. And then, so that's my whole number. And then my fraction, so I've got that done and I've got that done. So now I'm looking down here to find my fraction. I've got 4 pieces shaded, and as always, your denominator is going to be 10. And you can just leave it exactly like that. Don't need to simplify, don't need to change anything at all. Okay, and let's look at another one. Same thing, whole number, we have 1 whole right here. So I'm just going to write whole number of 1, got that done. And then I've got my fraction for my mixed number. And once again, your denominator is going to be 10 because we're dealing in tenths. And we have, let me count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces are shaded. So we have 1 and 6 tenths. And that's your answer for that problem. So make sure you've got that. Okay, I don't have anything else. Do you have any questions when it comes to these levels?